I'm going to show you how to fix Samsung SSD T5 disconnected with the MacBook. Now the first thing is to connect it with the MacBook. Select System Preferences and then Security and Privacy. Under the Journal tab, that is the first tab on the top, go and click on that. Also look if you get any security warning to allow access to your SSD T5 so that it can show up on your MacBook. Now you can click on a lock button at the bottom, enter your password and check if the option is available here for Samsung SSD. If not, simply go back, close it and go to your Windows 10 machines. Connect SSD drive there and it will ask you to install the software and show up there. Now log in with your password. So once you log in, go to the settings and you will see an option here to make a change. So this will disable the security mode. So once you select it, you have to re-enter the password and then you have to confirm it. Now you can see your SSD drive has no password. Now we can simply close it and go back to the MacBook and we will try again. In the MacBook we will connect it again as you can see here and wait for the icon to appear on the main screen. So that's the orange icon we can see. So this way we can solve that issue. Now if you want to add the password, make sure you save all the data of your SSD drive to your MacBook or any other drive and then do the format and encrypt it in the disk utility. Now you can do the format here. So for that simply select a name for your drive and also for the partition type select GUID partition map and format type you can select any format type you want accordingly. If you want to keep a password you can select with encrypted. If you don't want, just select case sensitive or just anything you want. I'm going to do the encrypted. So it will ask you to enter a new password or any password you have. So just enter the password, enter any details or hint for the password and apply it. So this will format the drive and so once the format is done, we will eject this drive and we will reinsert and we will check if it's working normally or not. So format is done. So I'm going to eject this drive. Now I need to plug it again. So I have to remove it and plug it in. So once I plug it in, it will ask the password. Otherwise it won't open. So once you enter the password, hey, it's done. Thanks for watching.